let's work on some French pronunciation. I know all sorts of people are really intimidated by French pronunciation, but the thing is, unlike lots of things in French, there actually are some very hard and fast rules, with very few exceptions, about French pronunciation. So if you take the time to learn the 4 or 5 major things that you just really need to know, you're going to be really good at French pronunciation. So let's talk about silent letters, and then let's talk about those letters that aren't silent. So the final consonant of French words are usually silent. So if the last letter in the word is a consonant, it's usually silent. Repeat after me and make sure you push pause. Français, japonais, anglais, élève, sport, salut, vous, nous. So notice that I said nous and vous, but we have something called liaison. And liaison means a link. And if the word after nous or vous begins with a vowel or H, we have a link from the S in nous or vous to that next vowel sound. So you would have nous avons, vous êtes. If you see an unaccented E at the end of the word, the E is silent, but it makes you pronounce the consonant that comes right before it. So we end up with française, anglaise, japonaise. And why is that S pronounced like Z? When you have an S in between 2 vowels, it sounds like a Z. So now, remember how we just told you that usually when the last letter in a word is a consonant, you don't pronounce it. Well, there's another rule, okay? And that rule is if that final consonant, if the final letter in a word is a consonant that is in the word CaReFuL, so that means C-R-F-L, you usually pronounce it. For example, parc, naïf, fil, vif, animal, actif, lac, bonjour, mal, professeur, animateur. And in case you're wondering, fil means thread or string, vif means lively or alive. So now practice pronouncing these words. Some of them have a final consonant that you can hear, and some of them have a final consonant that you can't hear. And in each case, it's following the rule. If you can't hear it, it's because it's not a C, R, F, or L. Traditionnel, étudiant, étudiante, donne, rempart, irlandais, irlandaise. So notice that in étudiante and irlandaise, because we added that unaccented E after the consonant, now all of a sudden we can hear the consonant. Let's do some more. Bac, mal, mauvais, mauvaise, laid, laide, timide, concert, objet, vent, vente, normal, normal. So what happened there with normal, normal, you cannot hear the difference. But vent and vente, you do hear a difference. Why? T is not a consonant that you can hear. L is, because L is one of the consonants in the word CaReFuL. So now practice saying these sentences. Au revoir, René. À plus tard. Parfait. Très bien. Nous rentrons. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? And that means, what is this or what is it? Nous voulons le sac et les stylos. And that's the end. Thank you.